Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In the heart of Paris, in a 19th-century building, Atelier FCA and the Desprez Bréhéret Galerie transformed this 120-square-meter space. "We redid everything," explains Fabrizio Fiorentino, founder of the FCA architecture agency. "We kept the historical elements, but I designed all the woodwork on the walls, the doors, the bookcases, as well as the parquet floors." Inspired by Haussmannian Interiors, the floors alternate between straight slats, Versailles and Hungarian point, depending on the rooms. "We exploited the potential of the apartment, which has high ceilings and many windows," continues Fabrizio, who emphasizes the importance of the architectural work, but also of the decoration and artistic direction, orchestrated by the Desprez Bréhéret Gallery, which chose and provided the furniture.